So there used to be times when I had the range anxiety in this car that 35-36% used to give me small jitters here and there that can I go back home, drive at least 20-30 kilometers. But now I know the actual range of this car, so I can definitely do at least 60 kilometers. And in the city we have fast chargers too, so not there are quite a few here in Jubilee Hills and High Tech City, Gachibowli areas. I can always get it done. It's been a while since I charged this car because hardly going out in lockdown. I think in the entire month of May I probably charged this car only once. The 10,000 kilometers that I was talking about could have been done a long time back, man. Anyway, just heading out to Dynamic Riders. Want to get few small things for the Ducati, and Shriman and Chetan are also there. So we'll just catch up for a short lunch and then maybe head back home. That's the plan for today. The video that was supposed to come on Monday or today is slightly delayed because I wanted to work on the engine sump guard. I figured out it's just only 3-4 bolts, so we'll probably install that, and so that will come up in that first video. This will be the second video which you'll probably see on Wednesday or Thursday. So yeah, we'll have 2 to 3 videos per week for sure. It's just it can be Monday, Wednesday, Friday, or Tuesday, Thursday and Saturday, but we'll have videos for sure. So in case you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe because you'll miss out on some exciting stuff. You need a harness.
Yes, you. It's not an air compressor on here. It's not compressor.
Actually 850 ki baane new accessories for the R90.
నీకు ఏది ఎక్కువ సెట్ కావరా?
నువ్వు ఆన్ల గురించి మాట్లాడు
అస్సలు.
ఐదారా
ఇక 5th one గోయింగ్ ఆన్ లక్కీలీ నడుస్తుంది బాగానే ఇప్పుడైతే.
అయిపోయినాయి యాక్సెసరీస్
ఒక్కట్రా స్టార్ట్ చేశాను.
ఏమేమి కొన్నావు ఈరోజు లిస్ట్?
ఐ యామ్ యాక్సెస్ సర్జన్. first accessory.
You got a horn, adapter, rain cover for Pulsar.
And I got it for you guys, ra, the horn. Senalo అందరు కంప్లైంట్ చేస్తుంటే I'm replacing it.
నా డొక్కులో హాన్ అది రైట్ సార్లు పడేస్తుంది. అది నువ్వు వేసి తగ్గేకరా చంపేస్తాను. ఇది ఎలక్ట్రిక్ కార్
నువ్వు రికార్డ్ చేసినప్పుడు ఇటనే పని చేస్తావు. మళ్ళీ గుడ్ బాయ్ బంజేరా నువ్వు బంజే వాడిని కాలేదు. నువ్వు లాక్ చేసినప్పుడు ఆఫ్ చేస్తావు.
సౌండ్ కోసం
సౌండ్ అయితే నేను గాడ్ ఆడతలేదు వెనకాల.
సో నువ్వేం కొన్నావురా? కీస్, సిలిండర్లు కొన్నావు, ఇంకా
నన్ను సారీ ఓకే లాక్ సిలిండర్ yes
are you done with 1250 accessories?
2 things today. One thing is to remove the clear water lights on the Tiger. Second thing is to put the lock cylinders. I bought the lock cylinders. I'll go home and assemble it.
But are you done with your GS adventure accessories?
We are just ready. We just need to leave ante.
Okay.
I suspect he's done like 60% shopping.
So
I think he has like 40% more.
For the next ride,
and it'll keep growing. Like
for
it
the
never
next ride
ends.
I'm ready.
So before he was coming to the BMW showroom, he said one more thing. అది యాపిల్ కీనోట్ లో లాగా లాస్ట్ లో వన్ మోర్ థింగ్ అని ఉంటుంది ఎప్పుడు. ఎవ్రీ డే వన్ మోర్ థింగ్.
Hey bro, today WWDC.
ఈ రోజా?
ఏం కొంటున్నావు?
7th. Today 7th.
అవునా?
కార్ట్ లో ఏముంది?
నాకా? నాదేం లేదు. I'm happy. I'm all set. Oh, I need AirPods.
వన్ మోర్ థింగ్.
అరే వాడు తిన్న వాడు చేసిన డ్యామేజ్ కి
మళ్ళీ కదా
ఇంకో 2 months EMI వస్తుందా నాకు బండికి?
It's been too long since I got the package. Time to install some guard on the bike. Let me give it a shot at least and see if it works. Otherwise, I can always go to the showroom. That's the second option. So first thing I got to do is remove these 2 screws and pull the exhaust down by 6 mm and then install this bracket right here. Always cover the exhaust with some cloth so that it doesn't scratch up. Experiment failed, guys, didn't work. So I had to pull the exhaust down by at least 6 to 10 mm. The instruction said only 6 mm, but that was not sufficient enough. I usually don't like to give up, but I think there's a professional job, so we'll have to head to either Dynamic Riders or Ducati to get it done. వాడి ఇక్కడ కూర్చుంటాడు రా.
వాడు పిఎస్ అవసరమారా?
Hi guys.
Hi.
कैसे ఎలా ఉన్నారు?
How do you feel?
Good morning sir.
గుడ్ మార్నింగ్.
నేను కొట్రేట్ కొట్టాలా? ఏ ఛానల్?
గుడ్ మార్నింగ్, గుడ్ ఈవినింగ్, గుడ్ ఆఫ్టర్నూన్, wherever you are. It's time to say good night.
మీ రైడ్ వాచ్ పాపింగ్.
Hey, what's popping? Perfect.
You don't pop.
పెళ్ళైంది. Dude, are you recording? Pop it.
This is recording.
Recording. పెళ్ళైంది పాప్ అయింది.
అదే చెప్తున్నా, మమ్మల్ని కలవండి, మా ఇద్దరిని జంటని కొత్త జంటని కలవండి, మీరు
ఎవరిని కలవాలరా?
ఇట్స్ మై మిస్టేక్ బికాస్ ఐ వాస్ టూ బిజీ. We're catching up.
You were busy?
Yeah, I was too busy.
He's sleeping?
No, I was in functions, the rituals.
The rituals?
Yeah.
The rituals.
ఇలాంటి వాళ్ళు దిష్టి తగలకుండా
పెళ్ళైన వాళ్ళు దిష్టి తగిలితే పర్లేదు, అవ్వని వాళ్ళు దిష్టి
వాడే వచ్చాడు పెళ్ళికి. వీఆర్ యాక్చువల్లీ ప్లానింగ్ అ స్మాల్ మీటప్ ఇన్ కమింగ్ ఫ్యూ డేస్, సో స్టే ట్యూన్.
అవును, కెమెరా ఆన్ అవగానే ఇట్లా పర్లా, ఈ లెన్స్ చూడగానే స్టిఫ్ అయిపోతున్నా అనుకో.
బాడీ స్టిఫ్ ఉండాలి గురుగారు. ఈ అమ్మాయి పక్కన వదిలేసింది.
This is Pili. Yes.
What? I did not change my surname.
First impressions.
What first?
First impressions of this fella.
That's what I got married to. You see now?
Hey, new shoes bro.
Socks కూడా కొత్త చూసాం వీడియో.
అయ్యో,
మీకు నైట్ డ్రెస్లో షూ వేసుకుని అలా వస్తారా?
చెప్పులు తెచ్చుకోలేదు.
ఈ ప్యాకేజ్ ఎలా ఉంది?
ప్యాకేజా? చూద్దాం, ఇంకా వరకు
Delivered on time.
ఐ మ్యారీడ్ సినిమా బండి. ఇన్ జనరల్గా చెప్తున్నా, షీఈస్ ఓల్డ్ ప్యాకేజ్.
నువ్వు తన్ని ప్యాకేజ్ అంటే నిన్నేమనాలరా?
అరే నేను క్యూట్ లిటిల్ బాయ్, నీ తర్వాత నేను.
బాయ్ ఓకే, అందరంటే ఏంటి? మేము మ్యాచ్ కావట్లే.
రేటింగ్ ఏమైనా ఇస్తారా?
రేటింగా ఇప్పుడు కాదు, కొన్ని రోజులు అవుదాం. ట్రయల్ పీరియడ్ ఇంకా నడుస్తుంది, 6 months ఉంటుంది కదా.
No returns and exchanges.
అంతే అంటారా?
It's nice to catch up, but we need a bigger meet.
That'll probably be soon.
And a treat.
Tomorrow day.
Meet and treat.
Tomorrow day after.
నేను పెళ్ళికి కూడా రాలేదు. We are not happy.
Even we are not happy there.
So make
tell,
up, so
what do
make
you
up for
want?
it.
What do you want to?
What do you want?
నీకేం కావాలి?
Name it. Get it.
Goa.
Dude, I don't mind. I'm up for it. I don't know, I like Goa.
Couples, Goa, the bike. You guys are in order.
We shook hands. Hand ఇచ్చిన అనుకో.
Fact.
Someone rear-ended me at the signal light. Someone in front of me stopped suddenly, so the other person couldn't stop in time, and look what happened. Slightly this became loose. This needs to go inside. Could put the bumper inside, but not this panel. So you see, this is the bracket that I was talking about. It needs to go right here at the neck. Tricky part was this was going in pretty easily. It wasn't going into this nut that easily though. So had to do some jugaad, watch some videos. I could have loosened the entire exhaust and done it, but it's just that this is so tightly packed. The only thing that I can loosen up was these two nuts, because these hold the catcon in place. So when I did that, there was some room, but this pipe was not coming down enough. Scratched up the exhaust slightly, so that's a dent I actually made, but that's okay. Work done. Had to use the hammer to insert the bracket a bit, so there were some weird sounds that I didn't want to hear. This is how DIYs work, by the way. If you go to the service center and see how they do some stuff, it'll break your heart, but it's also fun doing your own stuff. The other bracket is pretty easy to install. Once this bracket is installed, the engine crash guard or some plate just bolts onto it, and that's pretty easy. As I said, I don't like to give up. Finally, the engine guard or the sum guard installation is done. Nice, looks good, right? Although if I'd gone to the showroom or maybe Dynamic Riders, few things would have been better, like less scratches on the exhaust header pipe, and the grooves on one screw are gone. So if I have to remove in the future, either I get lucky and it comes out, or we have to drill it and get it out. The chances of removing the engine guard are very rare. But till such time, I think we're good. On my street pin, I don't think I removed the sump guard anytime. The only thing that's pending is the frame slider which comes here. That also I need to remove this, move it back, and then push it because this comes in between. But done here. Mind my tire, I'm sweating, look terrible. But the best thing is the work is done and I'm happy with it. You guys should let me know what you think of the installation and these DIY videos. I would like to add more of those because I like doing DIY stuff. There is some sense of adventure and also fun with DIYs, and I like them, especially when it deals with automobiles and electronics. Mind the small issues with the brightness and the exposure settings. This is again an encyclopedia to study. So each day I'm learning new stuff on the camera. So things will get better. So please bear with that. And in case you like the content, don't forget to hit that like, subscribe and share button. But that's it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed it. Let me know in the comment section. And in case you're watching this at night time, have a good night and take care. See you in the next one. Bye bye.